welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be testing out a new hair care product from Revolution Haircare. So they've very kindly sent me this 4-step system, which is the Revolution PLEX. So we've got a number 3, a number 4, a number 5 and a number 6. So they obviously all do different things. From what I can gather, it's quite similar to Olaplex, but a lot more affordable. Right, so first up we've got the number 3. Now this is the Bond Restore treatment. So protein cascade system for all hair types, restores, strengthens and conditions, and there's 100 ml in that one. Triple level hair bond technology helps protect hair, enhances shine, restores, strengthens and improves overall hair colour vitality. Bonus. Suitable for coloured and chemically treated hair. So yeah, that's good because obviously that's what I've got. So this one says apply a generous amount to towel dried hair and comb through. Allow to penetrate the hair for 10 to 15 minutes or leave overnight if desired. Rinse with warm water. Use 1 to 2 times a week as desired. Right, okay, so there's that one. So then number 4 is the Bond PLEX shampoo. So this basically, the instructions for this are just the same as any other shampoo, so I won't go through that. Then number 5 is your Bond PLEX conditioner. Yeah, that's the same as most conditioners as well. And number 6, this one is the Bond Restore styling cream. So applying product to towel dried clean hair, smooth through mid lengths and ends, style as desired. So that's kind of like you put that on like a serum before you dry your hair. Okay, I'm sure we can manage this. Right, so this one we used before shampoo, but it says to apply to towel dried hair. So I'm just going to go and wet my hair and towel dry it, and then we'll pop this on. So there we go. So my hair is now damp, well towel dried. So we're going to put this on next. So it says a generous amount. Did it say to roots? It doesn't say anything about roots. So what I'm going to do is kind of do it from about here through to the ends, like I would a normal conditioner basically. Oh, that smells so good. It smells like, you know, like typical hairdresser like products. Right, okay, so I don't know how much I'm supposed to use. This is a generous amount. I've got that so far. And it kind of, so I'm kind of putting it on like I would a normal conditioner. But baby, I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to whack that all over, and then I'm just going to comb it through with a wide tooth comb. What you can do, make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. Every breath that we're taking. Right, okay, so that's that all combed through. So it says to leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. So I won't leave it on for a little bit longer, probably about half an hour. So I'm just going to pop it up in a little clip to get it out of my face. And then I'll see you in about half an hour. So that's been on, it's actually been on for 25 minutes. I got bored, so 25 minutes. So what I'm now going to do is take the shampoo and the conditioner, and I'm going to go and rinse this off, shampoo and condition, and then I'll come back and we will dry it and use the, what's got hair on it, and use the what's this, Bond Restore styling cream. So yeah, there we go. I'm not going to take you through to the bathroom, so to watch me wash my hair because that will be boring. So I will just see you in a moment when I've done that. Right, so that's that all washed out and shampooed and eye conditioned. So I'm just going to take the towel off and then we'll put that like cream serum-y stuff, the Bond Restore Styling Cream on, and give it a comb and dry and see how it comes out. So I don't seem to have lost too much of my red, bearing in mind what seemed to be coming off in the bath, well, the shower. So yeah, that's a good thing. So it does seem to have, you know, kept my colour. So the next thing I'm going to do is put the styling cream on. So it says, I'm going to start off with that much. It says to smooth through from mid-lengths to ends. So that's what I'm going to do. Rub that into my hands. I have to say my fingers are going through really easy, and that's without even brushing it yet. Right, give that comb through. Until we're fine. You've been in bed for days, empty without me, you say. It's combing a lot easier than it normally does because I've got naturally curly hair. It does get quite knotty quite easily, and it's normally a bit of a chore to comb out when it's wet, but that did go through quite nice and easy. So we will dry it now and see what it's like when it's dry. So here we go. So I've just finished drying it. I haven't done anything else to it at all. I was going to straighten it, but I thought, no, I'd rather show you it, you know, exactly how it is without proper styling or anything, because if I straighten it, it would just go shiny and yeah, anyway. So yeah, but this is what it's like. I'm really impressed. It's really shiny. I don't know if you can see the shine with the lights on me, but that is really, really shiny. It's so soft and my hands are just gliding straight through it. I mean, I've put my hair through a lot, you know, I've put it through a lot of bleaching. In the first lockdown, don't even go there. I put so much bleach on it to try and sort my roots out, completely bodged it up, and I've got all these little short bits and like some weird fringe thing going on that I just try and disguise. But yeah, honestly, it just feels so much better. It really does. Using that a couple of times a week, bearing in mind that's only the first time I've used it, I reckon that'll be really, really nice. So yeah, I'm very impressed. I've got to tell you actually the price. So each item on Revolution is £10 per bottle, which for the, where have I put it? Here, the Restore treatment, which is kind of like the main Olaplex one, which is the Olaplex one, is £28 for this, which I have used, and I can honestly say it doesn't feel any different to what it did when I used that. And this is £10, so that's what, a third of the price, which is blooming brilliant. I think they sell the whole set for cheaper. I think it's like £28 or something. So yeah, I would definitely recommend trying it. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you enjoyed watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!